Hello everyone, Sam is here from myfirstmagicweb.com. Making this a small video as a weekly recap. Last week recap, I forgot to make one, and I've been asked, so let me just make one. So let's get started here. All the trades shown, I will be showing, taken last week. All right, so this is the first of them. The week started on the 21st June. So this is pound yen. I've been trading pound yen and making videos about pound yen progress every other day. Right. So this was when it was dropping. So I had this one, and then this is the one that I'm showing. It was on the 21st, and after that, on the 21st, a pound USD was going up. 7-minute entry here, 7-minute chart for 90 pip, and here GJ. It was going down first and then started go up, bouncing from the support, and you can see easily. And there was another one here, the beautiful entry here, not showing, and then the second one here I took for 75 pip to the upside, and this was a beautiful entry as well, but don't need to take one because I was already in the trade. And pound franc, beautiful long entry here for 65 pip. Here you can see 105 pip here with pound Newsy. Sell entry here on the 23rd. Then on the 23rd again, Euro Aussie as well from 7-minute chart. Beautiful entry here, and then look at the way it came. It's like this is the entry, this is the entry, this is the entry. So many entries from 7-minute chart. Usually this chart gives a lot of entries. Here on pound yen, going to the upside again one more time. Remember the last trade, so it went up and then retraced here like that, and again it went up this way, and 60 pip on the 23rd. Now on the 23rd, CAD, USD CAD was 75 pip. Look at the trade by the book, beautiful trade. And now on the 24th June, pound yen, from the top again, it start to come down. I'll show you the chart, what I mean. So it's a 50 pip here, and then another one. This is a pound Aussie, start to drop here as well, for 85 pip here on the 24th. And then pound Uzi, you can see this was the trade before. I cashed out here, and then again, beautiful entry here for 100 pip on the 24th. And then again, pound yen. Remember, I just told you that there was another one here. So this is the one on the 25th, 55 pip. And here, pound CAD, also beautiful short for 85 pip. This setup is good. Now, 25 is the Friday. I guess this is the bottom line here. Okay. Now, these are the trade, 12, 14 trades here. Now, let me show you that this is on the Telegram on the June 30, for example. I posted that GU and GJ about to make 20-minute short setup again, right? So GJ I was expecting, and also GU, pound USD. So let me show you that what happened to pound. GJ went up, right? So I lost like 20 pip there, my SL hit. But what happened to GU? That's important, right? So GU, the first one, that this was a setup that I put down there, right? I won on the Telegram, and then it went down for 70 pip, right? So GJ, my 20 pip loss, that's no big deal. And I had other trades as well, so that's not the problem. Here, the thing is that I said the GU is going to go down. So this is how you get the entry, right? So I got the entry, and it went down here, and then I cashed out here because there was a level here. And then, volume time is going away. So several other factors. But then it bounced again and went into this area here to make another short setup. And that short setup I took again, and it is running right now from the other broker. Here you can see that this is my sell order. This was the one that I just showed you, and then it went up, and I got it again here. This is my sell, and I'm sitting at break even, and I think it is around 38 pips so far, but I want more, right? So I'm holding on to it, see what happened. But I got this one. If this one is a break even if it goes up and hit my SL, I don't care. right? So and as it is, it's 7 p.m. So it's slow time. That can happen, and then the volume time when London session comes, I'll see if I can get some more entries, right? But that's what I'm saying, that this is constantly this one, this one, this one, and these two. I mean, I tweeted on the Telegram here this one saying that that's what the setup is happening, and then it did happen, and I cashed out, and again, same thing is happening all over again, same kind of setup and drop 38 pip here. So this is how you can just you see you can get like several pair. I mean several entries into so different pairs, maybe 3 or 4 pairs. If you start watching, you can get entries like that very easily. Okay. And let me show you, by the way, the pound yen dropping. As I said, I'm going to show the chart later on. So this is the chart I made, pound yen 40-minute on 23rd June. And look what happened to this chart. And I had several trades in that. Straight came down to my target, right? And I had almost like 3 trades, one from 7-minute and 2 from 20-minute. Altogether, it's like 170, 180 pips. So this is how it is, and now it's just going up a little bit, but everybody's waiting for tomorrow NFP. So until then, I'm not gonna make no chart or anything. It's just watch and see what happens, because after NFP, people will, smart money, big boys, they will start putting their money. Right now, they're not interested, and the market's not gonna move. It's just gonna range. All right. So this is it for now. Last week recap, and hopefully I will make tomorrow the current week recap. And current week is not that good. It's only like 5-6 trades so far. So let's see what happened. Let's see what happened tonight. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful